Az-Zalzalah, the ultimate quake, is chapter 99 in the Quran. This Medinian chapter was revealed to shake our hearts and strike fear about what's to come on the Day of Judgment. It also came to inform us that all deeds will be brought to light and accounted for on that day. إِذَا زُلْزِلَتِ الْأَرْضُ زِلْزَالَهَا, when the earth is shaken in its ultimate quake, an earthquake like never before. وَأَخْرَجَتِ الْأَرْضُ أَثْقَالَهَا, and when the earth throws out all its contents, everything it's been holding on to since the beginning of time will all come out on that day. وَقَالَ الْإِنسَانُ مَا لَهَا, and humanity cries, what is wrong with it? Shocked and stunned by what they are witnessing, a scene that's never been seen before. يَوْمَئِذٍ تُحَدِّثُ أَخْبَارَهَا, on that day the earth will recount everything. No more secrets, everything will be on full display in front of everyone. بِأَنَّ رَبَّكَ أَوْحَى لَهَا, having been inspired by your Lord to do so. يَوْمَئِذٍ يَصْدُرُ النَّاسُ أَشْتَاتًا لِيُرَوْا أَعْمَالَهُمْ, on that day people will proceed in separate groups to be shown the consequences of their deeds. فَمَنْ يَعْمَلْ مِثْقَالَ ذَرَّةٍ خَيْرًا يَرَهُ, so whoever does an atom's weight of good will see it. وَمَنْ يَعْمَلْ مِثْقَالَ ذَرَّةٍ شَرًّا يَرَهُ, and whoever does an atom's weight of evil will see it. Help us create more videos by visiting our website today and contributing to our mission and project. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to access more videos and content.